Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This versatile kitchen appliance is packed with features that will make cooking a breeze. Main body. First off, let's talk about the 7-in-1 functionality. This Instant Pot can be used as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. That's a lot of different functions in one appliance. One of my favorite features is the quick one-touch cooking. There are 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. It's so convenient and easy to use. You can also sauté your meats and vegetables right in the Instant Pot before pressure cooking, which adds another level of flavor to your dishes. You can also cook fast or slow, depending on what you're making. Pressure cook a delicious one-pot meal up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Cleaning up is a breeze too, thanks to the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and Dishwasher Safe Lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety is always important, and the Instant Pot has over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and a safe locking lid. The perfect size for cooking for up to 3 people, it's perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. The versatile inner cooking pod is made from food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. To top it all off, you can download the free Instant Pot app so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. With over 800 recipes to choose from, you'll never run out of ideas for what to make next. Conclusion. Overall, I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. It's versatile, easy to use, and perfect for any home cook. You can purchase the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker on Amazon by following this link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.